Let's explore how to build an AI model and data training tool using KAVIA. To start, our use case is for a hospitality platform that assists with room cleaning logistics and management. Here you can see the prompt and response. KAVIA doesn't just generate code, it builds the full workflow around it, with KAVIA creating the training endpoint, parsing datasets, setting up model training and persistence, generating documentation, and even preparing environment variables. What normally takes multiple steps across tools is automated into a single response. Now we can see the repositories that were created and developed by KAVIA for the backend and frontend. You can see that Python, Pandas, and other frameworks were used to train the model and run inference for regression and classification. KAVIA also created a document that summarizes the implementation, showing how FastAPI powers the backend, React drives the frontend, and how dataset and endpoints connect the two, with a mermaid diagram of what was implemented. Let's look at the implementation. You can see the backend is running and we have health checkpoints and also AI training and backend endpoints. So we can test everything out directly from the backend, or you can connect and test it with the front end. Just select the URL as an input in the connection. Now I'll go ahead and input a sample data set to train the model, uploading the data as a CSV file. The target column is going to be the duration minutes. I want to do a regression and understand how changing this data input impacts the overall model. Now I'll train the data, selecting regression classification as the task type. The model has been trained successfully. Now I'll test it and check the output in JSON. When I change the data inputs, the model should adjust the minutes accordingly. Everything looks good and is working properly. I just need to click deploy and the application is live.